about ADV and dual sport riding. Also, I kind of love how, woo! Point proven. I love how tough the motorcycles are. She'll start right back up. We'll fix the mirror. Oop. We won't fix the mirror. We won't fix the mirror at all. There goes the mirror. My phone.
I made a startling discovery.
What?
Up in the saddlebag.
What?
Shocking, isn't it?
I get it. I was like, dude, do you have bike nets in there?
Good morning, Jeff.
Morning.
Things are looking very sexy.
Things are looking very fucking cold.
Are those cows?
Yeah.
So just free range cattle, I guess.
Yeah, you just want to basically not challenge that big horn mother. See how the old XT fires up. Oh, first try. Oops, spoke too soon.
You jinxed it. It's your fault.
So Colin, 12-ton limit, you're gonna have to turn back. Yeah.
This is the way.
Jack Link's jerky.
Pretty satisfied with this right now. We're here in the middle of the woods with Colin, who's munching down some popcorn. Colin, tell me how you're feeling right now.
Hot. I'm feeling hot.
How hot are you feeling?
Hot. Flaming hot.
For a limited time.
So as per the usual, you know, you take something apart and you're like, oh yeah, I know how to put it back together, and then you get there and you're kind of like, So anyways, that's where we're at.
Oh, that looks a little deep for my interest. Does it go farther? No, thank you. Not today. The few times we say that on this channel. No.
No.
Not today.
I just don't want to.
Maybe another day.
That way is thunderstorm. That way is not thunderstorm, I would say. Totally shot. So we're gonna.
On the YouTube.
I'm sorry, I can't help it.
You get demonetized.
Only if it's in the first 30 seconds.
There you go. Nice deal. Nice. Cleared the book bag. Cleared the book bag.
Whoa.
Holy shit, that guy. That thing never really goes off when you want it to, except for that one time.
Yeah. And then it's, you know, 30 bucks every time. Every time. Have situations like that where you just lay it over and poof, 30 bucks.
Poof, $30. Oh, classic.
Holy crap.
Your choke.
Yeah.
I will remember you.
Alright, Mike on the XT250. I would say he is a beginner rider, 100%. Ooh, the Super Ball's on him. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, I didn't expect it to be this muddy. Are you okay? I'm just gonna skirt along the side of things as one would, should, and does. Oh yeah. Yeah, I saw this and I knew.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
That was a lot deeper than I expected.
I knew I was not going in that. That's why I stopped before I hit there.
Well, what kind of sound do you think it would make, Colin? Make the sound of a bearing going bad.
If your bearings are bad.
Oh, I thought you were going to make a sound. The suspense was killing me. I thought you were prepping to make a sound. God damn it.
I can't make a noise for you. If your bearings are bad, go to the front of your butt. No, that's like if they're gone, if they've disappeared. And it's like seized and you're just driving on a rim. No.
Alright, let's try this again. Okay, hi, I'm Colin from Trail Trash. I'm excited today to show you the world's